Man, I woke up that morning, that day was Friday. I was feeling quite high, what more can I say? Well, I think I get some small pay, ready to spoil any chick. Wake up my way to sure.
I don't wake up, I had a bad dream. Olaka and I break up.
But you never reach 1 week where you and she be make up.
This not bad luck, and I suspected it's a setup.
I wear my blue jeans and blue chucks, step out the house and believe say I pack up a demo. Drop inside my drop top, switch on my ignition.
The smoke now non-stop.
Now we can't scope this chick for bus stop. She not too fine, but I hear that walk up. We can't dey wonder where she go drop off. Or Valente, Yaba, or maybe race course.
Baby girl,
hello.
My name is 2Shotz. Me and baby boy kinda like your blue shorts.
So
plus, I think you're too much.
And after today, we can still keep in touch.
I dey waka, I dey go. You know they look for trouble, look for trouble. I dey waka, I dey go. I be gentleman, yo. Life na jeje. I dey waka, I dey go. You know they look for trouble, look for trouble. These chicks them go they wear the thing we got on man to press the money, yo.
She can't breathe. Enter her ride. Baby boy, they talk to him as me they drive.
See, baby, I like your smile. From the look on your face, you must be buck wild.
What?
No. I mean your smile. This your sexy hairstyle. You know the way you drive me wild.
Better be.
See this boy just stay here, they fuck up. I go break in head, she suddenly drop off. Look, nah, make we go enjoy. Forget this guy, he's my new house boy.
Chineke, 2Shotz, she na me you dey spoil. Okay, I go pour water for your oil.
Because your album sell, now they make your head is swell. You tasting like every girl where you toast with the gel. Whenever you hear woman perfume smell, you go dey yarn anyhow, they behave like who know well.
Okay, cool down, you know I'm just joking. If everyone a man here, but just scoping. And you know that me, I'm just hoping she go gree and that our joint go still
I dey
open.
waka, I dey go. You know they look for trouble, look for trouble. I dey waka, I dey go. I be gentleman, yo. Life na jeje. I dey waka, I dey go. You know they look for trouble, look for trouble. These chicks them go they wear the thing we got on man to press the money, yo. Waiting I see. Look yo, yeah, paripa. Now waiting I see. Now back I see. Yeah. I go dey waka, my own. I go dey waka, I go dey go. Then go dey waka, then go dey show. I be gentleman, yeah. As I dey waka, I go dey go. Then go dey make you colo. As I dey waka, my own. I be gentleman, yeah.
Finally, we can't reach this joint for body Thomas. When we wave, all the bubbles them they hail us. Girls them there, they try snub us.
No worry, cause
deep down inside, we know say them love us. Baby, now feel free, try order. She looked at me, she say,
Make you no bother, I'm watching my way.
serious pretender. Cause when she start to order, me and 2Shotz look each other.
Give me French fries.
Okay.
The fried rice. The chicken thighs. And the meat pies.
All the time when we dey form Mr. Nice to recognize Pepper 9 we see with our eyes.
We come no say this girl na killer. She suppose follow Michael Jackson, act thriller. The next thing I make my boy just spira. It be like say na this girl act Domitila.
I am 2Shotz, get up. I get up because my phone ring. Let's get the phone call. I waka go outside by the bus stop. Shop. He later block me by the drop top. We come off. Man no go fit still. Too pure water just for man to refill. The chick dey chill, they find who she go kill. As for the bill, she go dey dirty. I dey waka, I dey go. You know they look for trouble, look for trouble. I dey waka, I dey go. I be gentleman, yo. Life na jeje. I dey waka, I dey go. You know they look for trouble, look for trouble. These chicks them go they wear the thing we got on man to press the money, yo. Baby boy.
2Shotz.
It's cracking.